Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install packages in Python idle easy tutorial. If you're not familiar with that, Python idle or integrated development and learning environment is a simple IDE that comes bundled with Python installation. So if you have installed Python into your end, it is automatically installed as well. It is a user-friendly, lightweight, and ideal for beginners. One of the most common tasks for Python developers is installing packages or libraries to extend Python's functionality. So this tutorial will show you how to install packages in Python using idle and pip, which is Python's package manager. To proceed, before starting, you need to ensure you have everything like Python, Python idle, and pip. So if you haven't installed Python, just go ahead and search python.org, and here you should be able to get redirected here onto their official website. We have downloads in here, and you can download the latest version that they offer. Then right after, once you have completely installed that, Python idle and pip should be also installed or pre-installed together with the main Python that we have installed. Now, since we have installed this already, here onto our search bar, we're going to type in idle. So let's see if it is installed. So we have the one over here. So you have different version. Let's try to use this one, the latest one. So we need to open that. We are going to be redirected onto Python idle interactive shell. So we have that here. Now, since pip is required to install Python packages to check if pip is installed, so let's head onto command prompt first to check if pip is installed correctly. So here on command prompt, we're just going to type in pip version. So type in this line, pip -- version, click on to enter, and you should be able to see the current version that is installed. So you should be able to see the version for that. If not, then you need to install pip manually. So you'll just need to search for the official pip installation guide onto your end or visit the documentations offered in Python. Now, to install a package here, we need directly from Python idle, so we need to use the os.system function. For example, to install request library, you need to type this. To open another idle in there, so you'll just need to paste in the following code, which is this one, and then we'll have to save this or save us. We'll name this sample.py, click on enter. And then once it is installed or saved already, we'll just have to click on run in here and run module. So this should go ahead, or this approach should avoid the issue because the script is compiled and executed as a whole. So let's just wait for that. And as you can see, a command prompt will open and we'll go ahead and try to execute already the command. And by that, you have successfully installed the request library. Now to check if the package is installed and works correctly, you'll just need to open a new one in here, a new file, and then we'll have to go ahead and import the installed package, which is this one, the import request. So if no error occurs in here, then the package is installed correctly. So let's just save that. So alternatively, you could also use command prompt in here. So this is another way to do this if you don't want to use idle. So to install a package with pip, you'll just have to paste in this line, pip install, then the package name like matplotlib. Click on enter, and then it will go ahead and process it for you. So after installation, you can use the package in Python idle as usual. So either way, you could still use the following packages even if where you have installed it. Now, you've learned how to install packages in Python idle using pip and also in terminal. With this knowledge, you can easily extend Python's functionality by adding packages for your projects, whether you prefer using idle or the command prompt. Managing Python packages is simple and efficient. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.